If you're working on Google Shopping, stick with me. Today, I'll show you a tool that will transform the way you manage campaigns on Google Ads for e-commerce brands. Clarmix is a product feed manager built 100% for Google Ads. It helps PPC specialists like you taking better decisions, optimizing their PMax and shopping campaigns, and enriching product catalogs on Google Merchant Center. Within the platform, we've gathered all the tools you need and we divided them into two groups: the tools related to Google Ads and all of the functionalities related to Google Merchant Center. Let's have a look at the three best tools. The Labelizer segments your products based on their performance and set a dynamic label to all of them. Clarmix comes with 6 pre-made labels, but you can edit them if you want, or even create new ones. The goal of these labels is to see where your budget is not correctly allocated and where does it drive profitable sales. Then you can send these product labels to Google Merchant Center and Google Ads. And the idea is to segment your PMax and shopping campaigns to better allocate your budget. You can lower the spend on products that are non-performant and increase the spend on others. You will also like the dashboard, allowing you to track product performance over time. For example, 5 products moved to profitable within this last 7 days. To check them out, simply click here and you'll see all of these products here. And the best part is that you can even drill down by clicking a product and see exactly the journey it went through. This page will most probably bring lights to some trends that you've never seen before. Moving forward with the second tool called Feed Enrich. Basically, Clarmix pulls all of the keywords from your PMax and shopping campaigns and all of the product related data from Merchant Center and gives you an audit of your feed. Here you can see the errors to fix. If I click missing descriptions, the page will show me all of the products that are affected. In this case, 216 products don't have any descriptions, and I can fix that by simply selecting them all, clicking Enrich Products, and selecting Descriptions. This is how you can enrich hundreds of products without any setup. Naturally, you can also add custom prompts, like this one here, place the brand at the end of titles, and even connect additional data sources for maximum precision. Once the enrichments are ready, you can send them to Google Merchant Center by clicking this button here and simply setting up a supplemental feed. You'll have to do it once, and then the synchronization will be automatic. Oh, and last thing, Clarmix do not modify your primary feed at all. It always overwrites data through a supplemental feed so that you don't lose anything. Let's now have a look at the PMax Insight feature. So going back to Google Ads, clicking PMax Insight. And this dashboard here will help you to better understand the PMax black box. For example, you will see the channel breakdown to make sure your PMax are advertising mostly on shopping carousels, or you're able to see the search term analysis in your PMax campaigns. Everything of this page is made so that you can better analyze and follow your PMax performance and take better decisions. It will also help you to deliver great reports to your managers or clients. As you can see, Clarmix is a very simple platform to use, also offering accuracy and security. And the cherry on the cake is that the platform is collaborative. I am currently on an advertiser account, and if I want to invite my agency, I can simply click here and paste the agency ID here. As an agency or a consultant, I can manage several accounts from the same interface and even decide if I want to pay for my clients or if they directly pay Clarmix. Another good thing is that I can connect several Google Ads and Merchant Center accounts on Clarmix, and it's totally free. The integration literally takes 3 clicks. The free version offers you a full audit of how optimized are your shopping campaigns and what are the labels of your products, but also how optimized is your Google Merchant feed. If you want to take action or unlock all features, you will have to select a plan and start a 7-day trial. That's it for now. Feel free to chat with us right here if you have any questions, and see you on the other side.